tablets. They're everywhere, right? In our medicine cabinets, purses, and backpacks. We take them without a second thought, these small, often unassuming discs that hold the power to alleviate pain, combat illness, and improve our lives. But how often do we stop and think about what goes into making these tiny wonders of modern medicine? What's actually in a tablet, and how does it transform from a collection of powders into a precise and effective dose of medication? It's a fascinating journey, really, from the laboratory bench to the manufacturing plant to your medicine cabinet. And it's one that involves a surprising blend of chemistry, engineering, and rigorous quality control. We'll pull back the curtain on this hidden world of tablet manufacturing, exploring the intricate processes and meticulous attention to detail that go into producing the medications we rely on. Get ready to be amazed by the science and precision behind every tablet. It's a story that underscores the interconnectedness of research, manufacturing, and healthcare, all aimed at improving human health one tablet at a time. So, let's embark on this journey of discovery together and unravel the mysteries of how tablets are made. Let's start by dissecting a tablet, figuratively speaking, to understand its components. At its heart lies the active pharmaceutical ingredient, or API, the star player responsible for the tablet's therapeutic effect. This could be anything from a painkiller like ibuprofen to a blood pressure medication like lisinopril. But the API is only part of the story. Surrounding and supporting it is a cast of other characters known as excipients. These inactive ingredients play crucial roles in ensuring the tablet's stability, effectiveness, and ease of use. Think of them as the unsung heroes of the tablet world. Binders, for example, hold the ingredients together, preventing the tablet from crumbling. Fillers, like lactose or cellulose, provide bulk and ensure the tablet is a manageable size. Then there are disintegrants, which help the tablet break apart in the stomach or intestine, releasing the API for absorption. Lubricants ensure smooth sailing during manufacturing, preventing the tablet from sticking to the machinery. And finally, coatings can be applied for various reasons, such as masking taste, controlling drug release, or protecting the tablet from moisture. It's a delicate balance, ensuring each ingredient is present in the right proportion to create a tablet that is both effective and safe. The journey from a collection of powders to a finished tablet is a multi-step process, each stage carefully controlled and monitored. It all begins with mixing, where the API is combined with the necessary excipients in a large blender. This ensures a uniform distribution of all ingredients, crucial for consistent dosage and drug release. Next comes granulation, a critical step that transforms the powder mixture into granules. This improves the flowability of the material, making it easier to handle and compress into tablets. There are two main methods of granulation: wet granulation and dry granulation. Wet granulation involves adding a liquid binder to the powder mixture, forming a paste that is then dried and screened to create granules. Dry granulation, on the other hand, uses mechanical pressure to aggregate the powders into larger particles. The chosen method depends on the specific properties of the API and excipients. Once the granules are ready, they move on to the next stage, compression. This is where the tablet takes shape. The granules are fed into a tablet press, a machine that uses punches and dies to compress them into the desired form. The pressure applied during compression is carefully controlled to ensure the tablets have the correct hardness, thickness, and disintegration properties. Let's delve a bit deeper into the fascinating process of granulation. As mentioned earlier, this step is crucial for transforming the initial powder blend into granules, the building blocks of tablets. Imagine trying to build a house with fine sand instead of bricks. It would be nearly impossible. Wet granulation is like adding water to sand to create a moldable substance. A liquid binder, often a solution of a polymer, is added to the powder mixture in a process meticulously controlled for time, temperature, and mixing speed. The resulting wet mass is then passed through a sieve to form granules, which are subsequently dried. This method is particularly useful for APIs that are sensitive to heat or pressure. as it avoids exposing them to harsh conditions. Dry granulation, as its name suggests, doesn't involve any liquid binder. Instead, it relies on mechanical force to compact the powder particles together. The powder mixture is first passed through a roller compactor, which compresses it into a sheet. This sheet is then milled to create granules of the desired size. Dry granulation is a good option for moisture-sensitive APIs and can be more efficient in terms of processing time and energy consumption. Once the granules are ready, they advance to the heart of tablet production, the tablet press. This impressive piece of machinery is where the transformation from granular material to a recognizable tablet occurs. Imagine a giant, sophisticated mold capable of churning out thousands of tablets per minute with remarkable precision. The tablet press operates using a system of punches and dies. The die, typically made of stainless steel, determines the size and shape of the tablet. The lower punch fills the die cavity with a precise amount of granules. Then the upper punch descends, applying pressure to compress the granules into a solid tablet. The pressure applied is critical, as it influences the tablet's hardness, disintegration time, and even its dissolution rate. Too much pressure can result in tablets that are too hard to break apart in the digestive system, while too little pressure can lead to fragile tablets that crumble easily. Modern tablet presses are highly automated, allowing for precise control over various parameters, including compression force, tablet weight, and thickness, ensuring uniformity and consistency in every batch. Freshly pressed tablets, though technically functional, often undergo an additional step coating. This final touch serves several important purposes, enhancing the tablet's performance, palatability, and shelf life. Imagine a bitter-tasting medicine. Coating it with a thin layer of a tasteless polymer can make it much easier to swallow. This is one of the primary functions of film coating, a common type of tablet coating. Film coatings can also improve the tablet's appearance, giving it a smooth, glossy finish, and often adding color for brand recognition or to differentiate between dosages. Beyond aesthetics, coatings can play a crucial role in controlling the release of the API. Enteric coatings, for instance, are designed to resist dissolution in the acidic environment of the stomach, only breaking down in the higher pH of the intestine. This is particularly useful for drugs that are irritating to the stomach or that are degraded by stomach acid. Sustained release coatings, on the other hand, control the rate at which the API is released over an extended period, providing a prolonged therapeutic effect. Throughout the entire tablet manufacturing process, from raw material inspection to final product packaging, rigorous quality control measures are paramount. After all, we're talking about medications, substances that directly impact people's health and well-being. Quality control technicians are like vigilant guardians, ensuring that every batch of tablets meets stringent standards for identity, purity, potency, and uniformity. They employ a battery of sophisticated analytical techniques to assess various parameters. For instance, high-performance liquid chromatography, HPLC, can be used to determine the purity of the API and the amount present in each tablet. Dissolution testing examines how quickly the API is released from the tablet in a simulated digestive environment. Friability testing measures the tablet's resistance to chipping and breakage, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of handling and packaging. These tests, along with many others, are essential for guaranteeing that every tablet that leaves the manufacturing facility is safe, effective, and meets the required specifications. It's a testament to the pharmaceutical industry's commitment to producing high-quality medications that are both life-changing and life-saving. So, the next time you reach for a tablet, take a moment to appreciate the intricate journey it has undergone to reach your hand. It's a journey that highlights the remarkable intersection of science, technology, and human ingenuity, all aimed at improving health and well-being. Understanding the composition of a tablet, the roles of its various ingredients, and the complexities of the manufacturing process gives us a newfound appreciation for these tiny wonders of modern medicine. It also emphasizes the importance of informed healthcare decisions. By understanding the basics of tablet formulation and production, we can better grasp the complexities of drug delivery and the factors that influence a medication's effectiveness. This knowledge empowers us to engage in more meaningful conversations with our healthcare providers, ask informed questions, and make responsible choices about our health. So let's continue to explore, question, and marvel at the science behind the medications we rely on, for it is through understanding that we can truly harness their potential to improve our lives.